Ready to unleash your Wix portfolio on the world? Let's dive right into how to snag that all-important portfolio link. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and are on the main dashboard now. Click on the Edit Site button on the site you want to copy the link for. This will open up the Wix Editor. Great, we're in the editor. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. See that blue button that says Publish. Give it a click. Clicking Publish ensures that your latest changes are live and that the link you're about to copy reflects your most up-to-date work. Awesome! A window will pop up confirming your site is published now. You should see a URL right underneath that confirmation. This is the golden ticket, your portfolio link. Simply click on the copy link icon next to the URL. It looks like two overlapping squares. Click that, and you've successfully copied your portfolio link to your clipboard. You should see a little notification that says link copied. Now, you can paste this link anywhere you want: emails, social media, job applications, you name it. Showcase your talent and land those opportunities. That's all there is to it. Now get out there and share your amazing portfolio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.